Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Balanced budget changes can feel sneaky, but this one moves fast. Figure out what equal tax and spending increases due to aggregate demand, output, and prices.
Equal increases in government spending and personal income taxes create a balanced budget expansion because spending raises aggregate demand directly while higher taxes reduce consumption by a smaller amount overall.
That smaller offset is the key. The balanced budget multiplier is positive, so aggregate demand shifts right, which pushes real output up in the short run.
Once short-run aggregate demand moves right, firms produce more and the overall price level also rises, so both parts point together to one answer.
Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given facts and check steps, because balanced budget expansion raises output and prices.